Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix bank Dhofar card decline issue. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue, the first method that you can do is check your account balance. To do it, simply head over and open up your bank Dhofar application, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account using your username and password, and then simply tapping on sign in. Then once you are inside, what you need to do is make sure your card is active. To do it, simply tap on credit cards option on the home screen, then check the status. If it shows unlocked or disabled, simply tap on unlock to enable it. The next method is enable online or international payments. Many declines happen because these options are off. What you need to do is simply select credit cards once again. Then once you're inside there, simply go to the card settings, then turn on online transactions for e-commerce, international usage, ATM withdrawals, and POS payments. Then next is to check the transaction limits. Daily limits may be too low in the app. Simply open the card limits by simply tapping on the settings, then selecting the card limits option, then increase ATM limit, POS limit, and online purchase limit. The next is to verify SMS or email alerts. If the bank suspects fraud, they may block the card. Simply check the SMS for any message from bank Dhofar, and if there is a fraud alert, simply reply or verify it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.